If you're looking for an ISV program where you can combine the power of your software with market-leading products, then look no further. Zebra's Partner Connect program offers software developers the opportunity to collaborate through development and go-to-market support, not to mention access to our reseller ecosystem to expand your market reach. Here at Zebra, we're transforming the edge of enterprise. Our top-of-the-market products would look so good working alongside your innovative software solutions. Whether you identify as an ISV, reseller, or both, you'll gain access to the following luxuries: influence registration rewards, discounted demo kits, development consulting to resolve issues that occur during application development, migration and implementation phases, technical support to resolve customer issues, increased visibility by promoting your applications to resellers and customers, application testing to build market credibility, access to pre-launch products to speed time to market. The benefits don't stop there. You can dive into the Zebra Developer Portal for additional tools, utilities, developer kits, blog posts, code samples, community forums, and more to support your application's potential development. Their tiered system will score you into different tracks: Registered ISV, ISV Partner, Premier ISV Partner. Once you find your track, you'll be able to unlock increased marketing support and closer collaboration with Zebra's team. Visit our site to learn more today.